Hello. Right now, COVID-19 is spreading. With many cities on government ordered lockdown, many schools, colleges, universities, and businesses are closed. Many meetings, conferences, and classes have been canceled or postponed. But other courses and meetings are now available for viewing online. Other presenters will film their presentation and make the video available online. Obviously, the deaf community needs access to these through interpretation. I'm Fawn. I'm an ASL interpreter with National Interpreter Certification from the Registry of Interpreters for the Deaf, and I've been interpreting for 15 years. I've also been a professional video producer for 20 years. If you have a video or audio recording that needs interpretation, you can send it to me. I'll listen to it and provide an interpreted video for you. I have video editing capability. I can put the image of the interpreter in a small box in the corner, or make the interpreter full screen and put the presenter in a small box. I can also add graphics or put the PowerPoint in the background and then send it to you. If you have a signed video, I can watch it and add an interpreted voice track. Or if you're attending a meeting or class by means of video conferencing such as Zoom or Skype, or through live streaming, I can attend the meeting as your interpreter and live stream the interpretation so that you can watch it simultaneously. Please note that my services are not a replication of VRS service. Canada and the United States already have VRS services available for you to make phone calls, and it's free to end users. Additionally, there are deaf-owned translation and video production companies that offer translation services for documents and scripted videos. They can provide translation and captioning services.